To install a new liner in your LooSeal toilet, first remove the toilet seat from the rear of the unit. Then remove the grey plastic film guide. Take the liner out of its sealed package and place it over the toilet, making sure the arrows on the liner are pointing upwards. Next, remove the 4 plastic retaining tabs. Reinsert the grey plastic film guide, then feed the liner from the outside of the roll, over the guide and down into the toilet. Ensure there is enough liner extending into the toilet so that it reaches the heating element. Using the tamping sheet, gently push the liner down into the rollers until it is correctly positioned. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat and run the toilet through a flush cycle to seal the liner and start your first bag.